Did you step out of your house and find it annoyingly hot today? Have you heard your grandparents say how it wasn't this sultry when they were young? Well, guess what? We have global warming to blame that for. The planet is now warmer than it's been in 1,25,000 years, and it's not going to get any better unless we wake up and pay attention to Mother Earth's needs. The United Nations Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change report released on Sunday has issued a code red for humanity and set the alarm bells ringing. Modern humans' dependence on fossil fuel is warming the earth at an unprecedented pace, and greenhouse gases are expected to raise the planet's temperature by 1.5 degrees Celsius by 2030. This is a decade earlier than what was previously projected in 2018. The report puts the blame fair and square on humans and the use of carbon and fossil fuels. The extreme weather events in recent times, like the devastating floods in China and Europe, the heat wave in Canada, and the wildfires across Greece, Turkey, Italy, and California, are nothing but glimpses of adverse climatic events. All this when global temperatures have risen only by about 1.1 degrees Celsius. The report has warned that extreme climate events that previously happened only once in a century will now occur every year. What does the UN's IPCC report mean to India? The report says both the annual and summer monsoon precipitation have been projected to increase during the 21st century with enhanced inter-annual variability. It means India would receive extremes of sparse or heavy rainfall. Rainfall seasons will also be scattered, making them difficult to predict. Such patterns in a predominantly agriculture-oriented country like India, which depends on the monsoons for livelihood, would be nothing short of disastrous. India is also witnessing high aerosol emissions, which are reducing the quality of air. The report also raises a massive warning sign for India's mountains. Snow volumes are expected to decrease in the Hindu Kush Himalayan region. Melting glaciers will increase sea levels, causing a threat to India's coastal areas. This will also result in more frequent heat waves in North India, coupled with erratic monsoon and destructive floods like was witnessed recently. The report has also warned that the warming of the Indian Ocean will lead to a rise in sea levels, which will contribute to more frequent and severe coastal flooding along the country's 7,500-kilometer long coastline. What is alarming is that this will be irreversible in nature. The warming of oceans and ocean acidification have already triggered an increase in frequency of tropical cyclones along India's western and eastern coasts. The number of such tropical cyclones is expected to go up further as global warming increases. What does India need to do to tackle climate change? India is at a crucial juncture where we are already facing increasing extreme weather events. India's existing emission mitigation strategies and targets now seem inadequate. So does the Paris Agreement, which is legally binding international treaty on climate change. It was adopted by 196 nations, including India. India will have to buckle up to limit the effects of climate change. One of the main things India needs to work on is a reduction in aerosol levels in the air. This will reduce the occurrence of heat waves and also aid heavy monsoon rainfall. India also needs to make rapid changes to reduce its greenhouse gas emissions, as it is currently the world's third highest emitter of greenhouse gases. Global warming can be limited by the end of the century, but it will require drastic and immediate cuts in burning of fossil fuels and other activities that lead to emission of greenhouse gases for us to achieve it. The future of the planet depends on the choices that humanity makes today. A federal report.